I don't need money, I don't need friends. Calling in sick on the weekends. Think I'm gonna throw my phone away. I'm not one for talking anyways. I don't wanna read the news, I wanna sit and look at you. I wanna pour myself a coffee, take a walk around the block a time or two. I don't wanna think, I don't wanna blink, don't wanna miss a thing about you. On every angle, every corner of your whole world too. I wanna get a bird's eye view. Lean back, take a deep breath, lifting all the weight off of my chest. You're the only one who can do that.